Hello students, good morning. Today let's we see what do you mean by areas of application. We will see one by one. We know nowadays how computer is very important in our life. See, this is a lockdown. How we are connecting? Because the computer is only the sources. Computer, Android, mobile phones, internet. So these are the sources by means of you are connecting. So nowadays computer is very important. Without computer we cannot do anything, right? Okay, we will see how the computer is used in different types of field. We will see one by one. See, today the computer is almost used in all the field. We see only the major field. Okay, first one, military. Yeah, highly in the military field nowadays the computers are much used for designing in an accurate manner and developing weapons in an accurate manner. The computer is used, and here the computer is used in smart weapons and for communications in the military field. By using the computer, the missile is also controlled. Navy and Air Force take advantage of computer for controlling and calculating giant weapon gadgets. Next area of computer is banking. Yeah, nowadays banking is very important field. Okay, the computer is very used in the banking sector nowadays. We all know in every bank we see so many computers. Okay, through the computers the bankers are giving so many facilities to our customers also. Nowadays the banks are fully computerized. Okay, you can easily check your balance. You can easily transfer your money from one bank to another bank. Okay, and the banks are giving the facility like online banking, internet banking, mobile banking, so many things. By using the computer or mobile, you can check your past transaction also easily. Okay, it saves our time. Okay, not only this, the internet banking gives much advantages to us, like we can use ATM or debit card for shopping. We can buy tickets, we can pay so many bills, and we can open fixed deposit through online. The most biggest advantages of computer in the banking field is online banking, because by using the computer we can see our own transactions at any time, any place and anywhere. We can monitor our amount and bank statement. Banks and other financial institutions are very huge user of computer in maintaining customers account, ledger, updating electronic fund transfer and processing of various check, credit cards and major transaction takes place every day. Next field of huge computer usage is research. Yeah, we all know without computer nowadays researchers are not completed. That much the computers are used in this research field. So many complex computations are easily done by using the computer. For example, in research field, for launching any satellites, the computer need very important. By using the computer only, we can warn for earthquake, tsunami, etc., because it predict easily, we can predict easily and we can find out easily by using the computer. Okay, not only that, there are so many features are given by the computer to all other field, like the weather forecasting is also done by using the computer. It predict very accurately. Computers can have a capacity to compute even it is a complex one. It performed very quickly. Next field is education. We all know how the computer is very important in education field nowadays. Without computer we cannot do anything now. See, this is a lockdown. We only connect through the computer, internet, mobile phones. Okay, computer is the best right platform for education nowadays. By using the computer we are conducting so many quiz, we are conducting online examinations, online interview. We can use a computer. We are using so many educational applications, like YouTube, and so many fields are come to the computer platform nowadays, like Merit Nation, Byju's. So many learning apps are found for students. Animation videos are very helpful to understand the concept clearly than the normal lecture. It deeply go into the mind of the students for understanding in an effective manner. This is a very pandemic situation, lockdown days. So by in the lockdown days we are connecting through mobile phones, so in which we are using the Zoom app or Google Meet. We are taking the classes and listening the classes. So everything is possible only through the computer, mobile phones. If this is not present, we cannot do anything. Next field is media and communication. Communication played a major role in media and communication field. We are much enjoyed and so many entertainment are there in this field only, like mobile. We are using mobile phones, we are using the internet, we are doing emails, we are send SMS, chatting, TV, video conferencing, so etc. So everything is only possible with the presence of computer. If the computer is not there, nothing is possible. Not only this, the recording facility is also available, so we can use it for future purpose, and we can also save in the storage devices. Variety of music formats also played in the computer. Nowadays so many people are addicting for computers. Next field is criminal identification and law enforcement. In the criminal identification, the computer plays an important role because the computers can make close resembling photographs of criminal. So this is very helpful for CBI staffs to identify the criminal very easily. The police, by using the computer, they are using one technique for found the crime, that is a DNA fingerprinting technique. Okay, by using this technique, the police are identify accused with the help of the criminal's skin, hair and blood samples were collected. The traffic police also using the computer for found who is violate the law. The traffic police is monitor the people by using the speed cameras on lights for law violation, for catching the criminals on time. The police track the information of stolen automobiles and mobile phones. It is very useful to quickly catch the criminals. Next one is edutainment. Edutainment means education plus entertainment. At home we are having the computers. Nowadays all of you having computers, laptops, okay. So by using the computers we are used for computer for education as well as the entertainment purpose, okay. And so many of you playing games by using the computer. See, nowadays the PUBG game is very popularly playing. We all know about PUBG, Free Fires. So these are all possible with the advancement of computer, but even computers have lot of favorite and good sides. Some negative sides are there, because if you playing PUBG continuously, you have so many health problems. So by using the computer we can easily access any type of game we want. We can download and play the game. We can hear music, we can see any movie, we can send email, chats, etc. Computer is also used for education purpose. I already told you, like research for their project, assignment for students, for school and college students also. People can even enjoying the facility of watching movies by using the computer. Next one is business field. The computer's important is very needy in this field. The business activities, business performance are improved throughout the world by using the computer. So many analysis processes are made for improving the performances of business. So everything is possible only in the presence of computer. Nowadays so many organizations are there, so the organizations are easily access the latest technology and human resources, manpower across the world. So many businesses are nowadays come to the online, example Amazon, Flipkart and so many things. We can purchase through the application and we can pay before or we can pay later. Nowadays global business or international business relations are maintained through internet very easily. Computers are used for so many purpose in the organizations. If you take offices, the offices are used the computers for maintaining its sales, marketing records, stock details. They are recording the stock details, and they are using the computer. They are make some plannings for future, production planning, tax records, for preparing salary sheet of employees. So for so many purpose the computers are used in the business organizations. Next one is animation and films. We all know while seeing the movie, so we know about these animations. For example, for entertaining the peoples, the computer is much used in the film industry. I will tell you an example like Tom and Jerry. Okay, in the cartoon films, the animation is fully used. Cartoon characters are designed by using the computers. Not only that, so many music effect, different sound effect. Okay, everything is only possible with the presence of computer. Some of the cartoon characters like Walt Disney, Mickey, Donald, Tom and Jerry, Shin-chan, and so many cartoon characters are made through computers. If you come to the movie Jurassic Park, Godzilla, or Mickey Mouse, and recently Indian movie. If you see, we all see the Indian movie in which there are so many animation effect or there in it. Childs are very attracted while seeing the animation movies, and kids are so much addicted for these types of animated movies nowadays. Okay, let's we move on to the another one. Next one, book publishing and reading. Okay, with the help of computer, we can read any book at any time. Before, if we need any book, we need to buy, but now see, we don't need to buy any book. Everything is there in the online. If you want anything, you can search through Google or YouTube. Everything is there. We can just go to the Google or YouTube or some other source. We can just download and save for future purpose. And there are so many platform is there. Not only this, there are so many designs, typing and editing work can also be done with the great effective manner by using the computer. We can insert images, apply various formatting features, and we can change or insert so many style to a book, and we can design so many books in the computer with no time, because everything is possible through the computer. Next one, commercial purpose. Yeah, because the commercial purpose is always depends on the computer. I will give you some example below. See, Myntra.com, Snapdeal.com, Amazon, Shopkules, Flipkart, and so many things there like this. If you want to reserve any room, if you want to any hotel, you can reservation. You can make reservation advancedly through these any one of .com. Okay, everything is possible through the internet. Want any cinema ticket, or if you want to book any cinema ticket, you can easily book it with the advent of internet. Not only this, the billing system is also fully computerized nowadays in theaters, shopping malls, and hotels, etc. Next field is engineering and manufacturing. For engineers and manufacturers, the computer is the best platform for making designs. Engineers are use the computer for making the designs models for their project, like the manufacturers are used the computer for making best designs of their product and making high quality goods and services, like car and plants dealers, manufacturers are highly used the computer nowadays. So by using the computer technology, they are easily make designs and they are easily design the layout of the building very easily. Next one is sports. Yeah, the computer are also used in the field of sports uh, because the athletes, before using the sports equipments, that sports equipments are first tested on the computer, then only they are used the sports equipment. The trainings are also given to the athletes with the use of computers and scoreboards recording speed of players, action replays, printing and selling of tickets are also done with the help of computer. So these are all included in the cricket. If you see the cricket, if any person run out, it is again see by using the computer records. Okay. Next area is medical sector. In the medical sector, computer can help to find the diseases and control the important medical processes like CATI scan, X-ray, ECG and ultrasound. In the hospital, the patient's records are maintained and hospital's equipments are maintained by using the computers, and the surgeries also conducting by using the computers in the medical field nowadays. The computers can be used for research in the medical field also, and it helps to the doctors in the treatment of diseases. So in this today world, see the coronavirus is spread very fastly nowadays. So many medical peoples are make some research for found some medicines for this coronavirus treatment. So everything is possible only with the help of computer. Next area of application is government sector. I am giving in this slide what are the uses are there for government sector, like official correspondence. The computer is used for budgeting, for accounting, for making reports, for making payrolls, for maintaining the attendance, for uploading or introducing various schemes or making so many forms, etc. So only everything is possible with the use of computer. In the government, the computer is used in different types of fields, like for taking census, for collecting income tax, for recording income tax, in the airline sector, railway sector, electricity board, telephone exchanges, like so many sectors in the government are used the computer technology, because it is a easy method for quick completion. The last area of application is library and museum. We all know how computer is used in the library field, because for maintaining the records of issue and deposit date of books, the librarian using the computer, they are maintaining the books of records. The librarian, by using the computer, they are making some CDs. The usage of computer will help the librarian in listing of books very quickly. People can read newspaper, magazines, and journal online. Okay, if you take a museum field, computer is also used in the museum field also. So by using the computer, they are giving some information and play recorded commentary on relevant topics in the museum. Some museums are used the computers for understanding of an object that cannot be understand. Some museums are using the computer to help drive a point home by personalizing it, and for safety protection also the computer is used in the museum and library. So girls, I hope all of you very understand through the lecture. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you so much. You can ask any doubt.